maseve, and I hope you guys are good. I'm currently moving out of this place and I'm moving to another place. So yay! New year, new me, new car, new apartment, new house, new whatever. I'm seeing some people are also moving. I'm seeing a moving truck right now. So yeah, new beginnings, and I'm currently on the way just to run some errands. I need to get newspapers, I need to get boxes, I need to get quite a lot of stuff. It's a very expensive exercise. So yeah, I also need to get another car to help me with the move. So let's spend the day together and see how this weekend unfolds. It's crazy, like it's crazy. So I'm also gonna look for a new phone because my old phone, not my old phone, my iPhone 13 is giving me a bit of problems, and that's the one I use for YouTube. So all the reviews has been carrying me for a few years. So I actually wanted to get a new phone because I was just like, yeah, I'll just make it like a business expense because it's for the craft, it's for the channel. Mara, yo guys, I haven't done anything. I'm just like, I'm just hoping on the grace of God to sustain me, because no. Oh, I'm so stressed. But anyway, let's go catch this bread.
Just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out. What got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you.
So you're saying these are what? 89? Yeah. And then AIDC, okay. Yeah, it's just a soft bristles.
That's the best broom.
Which one? This one. Is it? Do you have any other colors? I like this one.
They come black and...
Yeah, I like this one. Kopai. Thank you, and I feel like it's clocker. Yeah, I think that's fine. Thank you, Nabut. Guys, I'm looking for boxes, and I've just been directed through a passage to get to this place, and I hope they can help me, or else I have to buy boxes for Westpac. Guys, I'm looking for boxes, walking around with a broom. I look so dodgy and suspicious. So I got the boxes. They said I must just look for a car. Bring my car around because I can't walk through the mall with them. So at least I don't have to spend on boxes for the moving. Yo, guys, what a patchy city. Yeah, but anyway, let's go. Hey, get lots of SLD recycling.
Yeah, recycling.
Oh, so get a fellow Lalinson. Ash, na ne ke re go tlisa koloi go di rola be. Maletse tsa di fruits ke tsona, wait. Tse di bulehileng yana so. Ora ba batla? Yeah, tse le tsona. Yeah, wa bana tseo. Perfect. Yeah, wa bana at least ka sparanyana challenge. Ke tlisa koloi.
Yeah, le go tlisa.
we did get the phone. I got the 17 Pro Max. And I'm having the worst day because I need to now rush to Suzuki Kai allow me to pick up a car, and I'm cramping. It's that time. My period started this morning and I'm just in hell. So I rushed back to my place to get a power bank so I can charge this phone because it was on like 3%. This vlog is all over the place because I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm cranky, I'm groggy. I'm just like, ugh. Yo, I'm not myself. I'm just very, very annoyed. But yeah, you know, I'm grateful. I'm feeling, outside of feeling how I'm feeling, I'm grateful. And the fact that the new place is sorted, we just have to move in and stuff like that, is great. I am anxious, I won't lie to you, but it is what it is. Really, it is what it is. Alrighty, let's go. Oh, this lighting is so pop. Anyway, let's go. Milambo Maseve, it is Saturday morning and it's moving day. So my room looks a mess. All my things are in black bags. Like, yo, it looks so funny. So I'm trying to transfer some of the clothes that didn't fit in my suitcases into boxes, just to make it look a little bit neater. And with me is also the Suzuki Eeco. So I've got the Suzuki Eeco to help me haul some of my stuff. My friends are coming, the moving company is coming, my older sister's also coming. So yeah, quite anxious, quite nervous, quite flustered. I can't believe that I'm going to a bigger space, but glory to God and shout out to Suzuki South Africa for the support. So yeah, let's go, let the games begin. This is what it looks like right now. It looks very bad. All my shoes are in here and a whole other miscellaneous things. Yo guys, it looks a mess. It looks absolutely a mess in this place, but we're gonna fix it. And I'm just trying to show you that this is what moving looks like. It's not a pretty thing. It's not really the nicest thing, but I'm going to put some of these stuff in boxes just so it looks neater. I don't like the black bags, but my home executive or my helper, I asked her just to unpack the whole wardrobe. So she put things like this and I'm like, at least it's fine. Things are out. I don't have to start from scratch. So I just need to make the bed and go clean up in the other side and then also sellotape the boxes. But yeah, yes. It's bad. So the moving company came with a 4-ton truck. Where I stay, they only allow 3.5 ton and below. So now they're saying they're gonna bring something else, whatever. And I was just like, yo, batom dim. But at least the Suzuki is here, the Eeco is here. And I just wanted to show it to you guys because it's such a cute car. This is the Suzuki Eeco, guys. Very, very simple. I never take a paniki straight. Still is. But judge. So I'll be using this for the day. And then we'll see what we get up to. I'm just waiting for my friends to come and then we can start.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, in the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? Let's pretend that it's a dreamland.
Yo, Boma 7, we have a bit of a problem. So, I wasn't told that there's a move out form and it wasn't filled out. Apparently my landlord was the one who's supposed to do that. He didn't do it. So now the moving company went to another client. So what are we gonna do now while we wait for them to come back? We're still packing, we're still cleaning up. We came to buy food. So we're just gonna buy fish and chips and eat. But the things are packed in the Eeco. The big ticket items are also gonna be packed inside the moving truck. But yeah, I think it's now time for us to just chill. My friends are around, so it's not all bad. It's not all bad. So yeah, let's go look for food. This is so crazy, bro. At least the Maritsuila out one. Guys, moving is a trip. Moving is such a trip. This is it, maseve. The end of an era. My first big girl apartment. This is crazy, man. It is so crazy. But yeah, time to start afresh. Wow.
I'm feeling clearer, the moments are realer. A weight off my shoulder, let me touch the sky. I'm seeing in color, I'm living in wonder. I'm right here now. I'm gonna dance in the light, I'm gonna shout out for joy.